Hi, I'm Mike James.
And I'm Beth James, and we were the directors at HUD for almost 5 years.
In our first semester, in fall of 2010, we decided that whenever we would end our last semester, we would have rocks from every single location and for every student. So when we would go to Israel or to other parts of Greece or to an island or Turkey or Egypt or wherever, I would collect the boy rocks.
And I
Beth
collected girl rocks.
Yeah, she'd get the girl rocks.
I usually had more to get than he did because we almost always had more girls than guys.
The students mostly didn't know we were even doing this a lot of times until the end of the semester. And then we would have a special ceremony that evening of the last meeting when we would talk about the rocks.
Yeah, and we would pick up each rock and we would say something about that student and put their rock into a pile. And then they could see all of them collectively and each one individually.
It was more of a meaningful thing than just a rock in a garden. Each one of these are very special.
I can wake up every morning and look out my bedroom window and there's the water spilling over the fountain, and it brings happy memories to me.